You by Pizza Hut. Colin Sexton gets the first touch, fires, and puts it right in there. Colin Sexton. Here comes Utah. Isaiah Collier, a couple young studs in this lineup for the Jazz, and there's that time. The lob up to Hendricks is good. Taylor Hendricks. Hendricks in his second season, 20 years old, and Kessler with a big block on Sohan. That's what Kessler does.
Yeah, that's what he does. Exactly right. He's a tremendous shot blocker.
Williams buries a three. Cody Williams, 10th overall pick by the Jazz.
I always admire the guys who go from the video room to the bench. A lot of work.
Hendricks puts in the three. That's the next part of his game. Quick ball movement. Champagnie, three, bucket. Julian has hit two of them.
I was looking at the other corner of my eye.
Here's Jones against Williams. Quick crossover, shake and bake. Trey Jones. CP3 and Mamu working together. Chris Paul buries it straight away, and he's talking to Sensabaugh. Throughout the preseason, Wemby and CP3 have had a couple. That's Johnny Chuzang for three. Second-year man out of UCLA. He snaps the net, and Pop calls a timeout. Kessler had a mismatch.
Yeah, he didn't take advantage of it.
Mikhailuk. Svi Mikhailuk. Castle. He looks to attack and passes it off. Ball movement. Mamo Kalashvili for three. Dogged by Wesley. 3 seconds. Collier pushing him off and puts it in. 0.9. Spurs force a turnover. Johnson, Sohan laying it up and in.
Yeah, classic 3-on-2 there.
Chris Paul gets that rebound. His head immediately goes up. We'll see who's up court. And right there is Johnson again. Mikhailuk splitting defenders. Williams hits a three. Cody Williams, 10th overall pick. Telling it to back. Oh, going for a poster. Lost it. Sohan gathers, and there's Kessler again. And then he gets two on the other end.
You reward your big dog.
Champagnie, no hesitation.
Those are the shots I like best for him.
Champagnie, 8 on the shot clock. Collins attacking. No, but Sohan was there. Sexton went to lob it in. There's Collins. Can't get in the paint when Collins is in the game. Paul, Sohan, easy two. Sexton again. Sensabaugh keeps it alive. Williams wide open. He buries his second three. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Mamu straight away. He loves the straightaway three. And assists 5 different times in his NBA career. 39 years old, doing wonders here in San Antonio. Under 2 minutes to go. Long three is put in by Chuzang. Johnson gets a screen. Going strong!
That's, yes, you're allowed to flex.
You always play better on your birthday.
Yeah, you always do. Or the day after.
Kessler, wide open underneath.
Good pass there from Filipowski.
The Mavericks.
And usually you see one big passage to the other big. It's usually something bad is going to happen.
Mamu, failing it tonight. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Preston. Wild shot goes in. Building through the draft, starting with that guy. Williams, their draft pick from this year, 10th overall.
A nice footwork, fancy footwork there from Jeremy Sohan, just to maintain his balance, not get out of control there.
Williams was the second straight lottery pick for the Jazz as a nice floater by Sexton drops. Spurs get another crack at it. Champagny, Collins falls down, saves it. Sohan with one hand. 10 on the shot clock. Sexton right in Jeremy Sohan's.
I mean, he took his time with that lefty jumper, didn't rush it.
Injured the right shoulder, so all offseason as Sexton drills another three. Collins had an opportunity to work on the left hand.
Oh boy.
Champagny.
That was absolutely world class. Throws the defense. Julian Champagny had all kinds of time to get that shot off.
Spurs lead it. Eubanks. Collins. Filipowski the board. Sensabaugh three. And a lead back to the Utah Jazz. 6 on the shot clock for CP3. Collins, there we go!
Does a nice job with the ball.
Wesley.
Does a nice job with the ball.
Wesley. Steph Castle's come on. Hasn't played much tonight. And gets a bucket. Here comes Trey Jones. To Keldon Johnson. Loses his footing. It doesn't matter. Here's what he can do. Coast to coast. Castle with contact. No, the putback by Keldon. He's having a night. See what happens in Miami on Tuesday. Turned over again by the Jazz. Trey Jones. Oh, Keldon! He took a body! Barnes. Castle lining one up. Castle for three. Williams. Tough shot. Filipowski's there for the cleanup. And we're tied at 103. We've gone back and forth all night. Castle! Blew right by him! See you later! Sexton rims out on a three. Wesley to Barnes. You bet! Filipowski checks his feet. Hits the side of the backboard. Sensabaugh, 3 seconds on the shot clock. Big shot from Bryce Sensabaugh.
It's good communication there. Talk out that switch.
Eubanks.
It's not their first go around.
Wesley, beautiful cut, and he finishes.
Oh, he's so explosive.
Castle attacking with force. Mikhailuk sent away by Sissoko. Sissoko gets it back, and he flies for the flush.
Have to make that one. Instead of running a little bit of clock, Alexa take a shot early in the clock and still knocks it down.
Mikhailuk. A chance. Minix, step back. You bet. Good night. The Spurs win it. 126 to 120.